To continue append the text score.txt with additional data, you may need to use a file writer class before print writer. Okay, so file writer. Let me just import first. Ideally, we need to use file object for file writer object for print writer. So file writer class has two parameters for the constructor. Then the second parameter is true. Default is false. If you change to true, you should be able to append the data to score.txt. Of course, we need to add the IO exceptions. I will add it to main methods. And here inside the file directly, we're going to use file writer object. Okay, IO exceptions. That's all you need to do. Let's remove score.txt. Not file. I add the three record. You can use a 12B. There are 3 record. Or you can just open it. Let's try one more. Run it again. 12B. Not file. There are 6 records. You can check with score.txt. Okay, same result. So if you want to continue append the data sets, you need to use a file writer class.